Dismantling of sieve mesh. Remove the screws here. Loosen the buckle screw. Remove the fixed buckle. Remove the sieve and baffle. Remove the foot screws here. Use auxiliary tools to remove the screen mesh. Mesh disassembly completed. Install screen mesh. Use auxiliary tools to install the screen mesh. Install and fix the foot screws. Reinstall the screen and baffle back into the machine. Reinstall the buckle plate and secure it tightly with screws. Adjust the angle of the buckle and tighten the screw. Installation completed.